This is not financial advice on peipei. Pepe is the cash tag for a token on the Ethereum network that is a derivative of Pepe the Frog, the most meme in all of existence according to Wikipedia, and a character from the Boys Club comic book created by the artist Matt Fury in the year 2005. Pepe the Frog is also a cryptocurrency on the Ethereum network with a market capitalization of $3.6 billion of the recording of this video. And how this relates to peipei is, in cryptocurrency, when we have a project that's successful, we tend to derive the next iteration of meme meta or investor narrative from the successful project. In this case, Pepe the Frog has spawned numerous iterations of Pepe on multiple blockchains, and including derivative assets like this one here, peipei. And I'm making this video because it shows and illustrates the connective power of the Pepe meme and how you can overlay nationalism and create something that's connected in the meta, even if it doesn't exist in the real world. And that's the beauty of cryptocurrency, is people coming to the agreement on the space of the blockchain as having a greater relative value than storing their fiat currency in a bank. And here's the market capitalization of the asset. It hit its all-time high, and it's retraced to about 1.110 million in market cap. And its holders are like less than 30,000 on chain, and they're getting a lot of central exchange listings. So this isn't necessarily the best indicator of how many people hold the asset, but it's a very bullish indicator, have that high a market cap to holder count ratio. And there's, 18,000 followers on the X platform, which is always a really good metric of interest for a project. And it's done really well. This project was launched when China legalized cryptocurrency investment, which was one of the signals of the bull cycle coming in the next year. And this token has been trending on CoinGecko as they've recently undertaken a huge marketing push and hiring out some qualified opinion leaders to push and propagate their narrative. And the project's done well, like I said, to have that bullish market capitalization to a holder count is really a good indicator. And here's one of the qualified opinion leaders they took on. This guy was famous for buying Doge early, and he's making videos because he's either been given an allocation of tokens or just a fee to promote this asset. I can tell you as a developer how these things play out. And they're doing all the right things to propagate their message to their target audience. And it's also spawned a nationalist rival asset. peipei has a rival token now, the US Pepe. ERC20 token is the peipei rival. So when they launched peipei, about a month after the launch of peipei, they launched this US Pepe token. I just found it really interesting that you had these two simultaneous expressions of nationalism on the blockchain that are completely different. And US Pepe is totally aiming their sights at this rivalry asset thing. And it's just kind of, as a marketer, I think a really interesting approach to market your asset as this rival asset in an attempt to gain attention, David Goliath type thing. So, because you can tell, like, look, this US Pepe asset's got like less than 1,000 people following it. I didn't do the market cap or holder count analysis because it's not a video about it, but I did think that it was interesting that there was this rival asset that's looking to, especially in an election cycle, try to take market share from a Chinese nationalist asset. I'm going to start to wrap the video up here. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I'm James Duryea, aka the TH3 Crypto Kid on the X platform. I host a series of spaces Saturday morning, Sunday afternoon, Monday morning, and Wednesday evening, where I discuss certain projects specifically in the space in general. Follow me more there so we can talk cryptocurrency. As for now, this has been not financial advice on peipei.